Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is January 17, 2023. Here's the daily chart for Apple. As you know, Apple just retracing back up. If you follow up my previous analysis for Apple, basically, I'm looking for more downside for the Apple. If you go to weekly chart, so here's the weekly chart for Apple, and this area is very choppy area. Apple just broke out this trend line. This is a major trend line to the downside, and Apple right now just pulled back, retracing up to this level. And I think still this area would be especially here. So something around 99 to 100. That's going to be a fantastic area for Apple. However, the first stop would be here, probably around a 200 weekly moving average, which is 115 to 119. So I'm going to buy here and I'm going to deploy my money here, to be honest, in Apple. So but again, so this price action is forming a very nice pullback to the broken trend line in the weekly chart, and I'm looking for a downside, another lower low, probably to the end of the February, beginning of the March. So if you see something like that, so that's going to be probably another buying opportunity for another leg down, and this is going to be the final leg down, and I wish this happens this year, which I deploy my money here, so I wouldn't have any doubt to buy Apple stock here because that's going to be in a major bull market trend line, and this correction is kind of like needed. Apple were due for a correction, and right now it's coming down as we are expecting. This one is coming down. So if you look at the other stocks like a Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, they have gone through the same path, so there is no exception for Apple. Apple is coming down. Still, it is expensive compared to intrinsic value, but when it comes to here and here, that's going to be very nice buying opportunity. So today, Apple, just as I said, had a very nice bounce to the upside, just following through the pivot here. So today, just expected market retracing back up. This is my previous uh, uh, sorry, in my previous video, this is the area that I was mentioning, and I mentioned here if Apple goes there, retracing back up here, so I'm gonna just take some short position. I come up with put option, expiry would be March. I posted in my channel, and it's gonna be free for everyone. Feel free to join their Safi Financial Group in Telegram platform. So it's going to be free for everyone. But anyway, this is going to be, I believe, that's going to be a good shorting opportunity in Apple. I would expect Apple is coming back down probably later this week or early next week. That's going to be the reversal point for Apple. And when Apple goes down, I believe the market is getting down as well. As we saw here in Dow Jones today. So we will get back to that one in daily analysis coming after this video. Make sure to watch that one as well. But I believe market is topped for the short term, and market is due for another lower low, probably going through to the February and months of March. Going to hourly chart, I just want to follow up with this. So here is the area. Just let me show you. Pretty interesting, huh? This is nice supply area. Apple just retracing back up. Nice Maribuzo candle, but it fails to the downside lower low. Right now we are coming back to that area again. So this is going to be nice pivotal point here around 135 to 140. And 135 to 140, Apple just retracing up to 136, 137 today. Pretty close to 137. And right now, as you see here, this is 137. Yeah, 137.28. That was the top. That was the high for Apple, but nicely rejected down. So if we see another follow through to the downside, specifically in a shorter time frame, if I go to the 10 minutes chart, so 10 minutes chart, it's kind of like forming a bullish consolidation. But look at that. So this area is very important. If tomorrow if tomorrow Apple broke out this trend line here, just right there, so probably we are gonna see a nice sell-off or coming down to this area, and that's gonna be enough, to be honest, for our put option. And when we see something like this, a sharp sell-off coming down, so probably it's gonna spike up 50%, 25 to 50% in our put option, and we will be close probably our position. But in shorter time again, so here is another one, so 131, and I'm just looking for, as I said, the bigger picture for Apple, which is a daily, is gonna be 112 to 110. So that's going to be a good buying opportunity, at least for a decent bounce for Apple. But right now, this is just a corrective move within this downtrend. So you see this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, and probably this wave up and down is going to be within this bear trend line, which is coming down. And there is another trend line is coming short-term trend line is something like this. So again, if you just follow this, probably there is going to be another opportunity to go about there, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Apple just reached out to the extreme momentum, and whenever we hit the extreme momentum to the upside in this RSI and it's stochastic, probably we are due for another sell-off to the downside. Okay, I think I wrapped up everything. Please make sure watch the next video, which is coming for the US stock market indexes and daily analysis, and I will post it just in next 2 hours. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.